Ang ating guest speaker ay isang leader, Crown Diamond Manager, and isa sa mga business in Davao City. Para sa kaalaman ng lahat, isa po siyang magaling na inspirational leader at maganda po siyang mag-develop ng mga potential leaders. Okay, without further ado, let us all welcome Crown Diamond Manager, Miss Myrna Aksalan.
Yes. Good morning, everyone. Dyna Farms, good morning. Long live Dyna Farm. Wow. I'm so happy to and talaga namang ito si LV. I do not want to talk about this kasi nga mga seniors na. But LV is so smart enough to tell me that Mr. CLM, my former boss, my idol, siya po yung aking mentor, I cannot say no to these people. I told LB, I know, it's not the job of Mr. Mayuga to tell me that I have to talk about this, but I know it's you. But anyway, since you are our coordinator, I cannot also say no to you. Basta bigyan mo ako gift. Joke. Okay. I'm Myrna Aksalan. I've been introduced to you already, and I started my Dyna Farm business, yung Diamond Interest pa po. Nag-start kami noon. Diamond Interest dito sa Davao. I was asked by Mr. Mayuga to have a center, and then I started recruiting them. But it happened that maliliit pa yung mga bata. I need a monthly income that will support. Yun nasa isip ko. I didn't know na ganyan pala ang networking. So I left the Diamond Interest and then go with a company na super stressed. And you know what? What happened to me? I got a triple heart bypass. I thank so much with the Dyna Farm. Triple heart bypass, 18 years ago. You could believe that. Sa sobrang stress ko sa work ko, sobrang stress, walang mga supplement, walang ginawa kung hindi work. So that happened to me. And thanks God. When I was operated, my doctor said, Doc, how long I will live? Sabi niya, maybe 10 years. Oh, I was so scared. And then, nakita ko si Susan Manzano, the late Susan Manzano, kasi kami yung mga angels ni Mr. Mayuga. Yeah, mga angels kami niyan. So, nakita ko siya and then he asked me to meet Mr. Mayuga, CLM. That was, ilang years na yon. Since Susan, siguro mga years na. And then, but after my operation, I went to see Dyna Farm. I started to use, sabi ko, saan ba tayo makabili noon sa Diamond Interest? And then I saw Jojo Balinas, who is my downline pala, which hindi ko alam. And then, bumili ako ng mga products. And it's so amazing na, lumakas ako. I didn't know na ganun ako, lalakas pala ako ng ganun. And you could just imagine, after my operation, now is the 18th year na ako na triple heart bypass. Without the Dyna Farm products, no, hindi po ako nagtitipid. Ikikwento ko sa inyo. So yun lang muna, ko lang muna yung sinasabi ko sa inyo why I really want Dyna Farm. So sabi nga ninyo kanina, everything has been said kanina. All the testimonials of different user. Imposible naman hindi tayo maging number one. Number one ang Dyna Farm for me. Even dito sa Davao, I went to, nagbakasyon muna ako sa mga anak ko. And when I come back, 2 weeks lang, I was able to recruit mobile stockists, no? Mobile stockists. Nag-start na siya for 2 weeks. Nakapasok kami ng 150,000 for the new mobile stockists. I tell you, it's not a secret kasi kung titingnan ninyo, what happened? Kaming mga young at heart, we call them young at heart. We are not millennials, not like the millennials that very active on cell phone, whatever it is. I cannot even navigate my cell phone. That's my problem. So, ituturo ko sa inyo is very basic, traditional and very practical way of recruiting, no? Sharing the products, touching the lives of the people, very practical way. Tina, I saw it na everybody, ang ganda talaga ng produkto natin. We have a very good product. So, kung titingnan ninyo yan, nagkaroon kami dito ng tinatawag naming saturation drive, no? Gagawin ninyo yan by having like, magbibigay po kami ng mga flyers. Yan, nakita ho ninyo yan? Yan yung group na yan, that was last year. We go outside, saturation drive yan. Ginagawa namin. We give flyers and then we go to the house to house and ask them. 3 question lang po, close na agad yan. 3 question. 1 question is, do you want to have a healthy life? Pag sinabing yes, oy, ano na, prospect na yan. Suspect, prospect. Okay. Do you want to have long life? Gusto niyo bang humaba ang buhay niyo na healthy kayo? Siyempre, yes. Sasagot niyan, yes. Okay. And then, do you want to enjoy life to the fullest when you are already like after retirement? Do you want to enjoy life to the fullest? Okay. Anong sagot dyan? Yes. Okay. Use our products. Use Dynafarm. Ganyan ho ako magsalita sa kanila. Use our product. Pero, tip ko lang po, kung in case naman na nagsasalita kayo ng gano'n, tapos hindi naman kayo umiinom, you're lying to your customer, it will not be effective. So, wag ho kayo magtitipid kasi pera lang yan, hindi natin makakain ng pera. Bumili ho tayo ng products, inumin ho natin na hindi tayo nagtitipid. Talagang, kasi I for one, I'm taking like 30 spirulina a day, 10, and then kaya magandang then the chlorophyll, ay kalahating ganon, mga 3 kutsara something, okay. Yun ang ginagawa ko, chlorophyll, then yung mga bukol-bukol na sinasabi nila kanina, it's really yung ating Ganoderma, ay nako, marami talaga tayong, maganda yung testimonials kanila. Kaya, it's very impossible for us, hindi tayo magiging number 1. I know, with all these people around, with all the networker around, with the products that we have, the quality products, oh my God, hindi mo talaga pwedeng sabihin na very inferior. Talagang proven and tested. And then kung titingnan ho ninyo, always talk of the affordability. Always talk to them that lahat ho ng mga supplement napakamamahal. Para bang we are not privileged to use the product because napaka-expensive. But in Dynafarm, oh my God, it's affordability. And titingnan naman ninyo, sasabihin din ninyo na ang tagal na ho ng produkto namin, we've been in the market for 40 years. So kung makikita nila yan, ay, ang tagal na pala ninyo dyan, yes. So yung stability of the company, talagang kailangan sasabihin ho ninyo yan. And then, wag ho ninyong na, halimbawa, nandun na kayo sa isang client, you have to look, tinatawag nating, yung tinatawag nating, wag kang mag-negative, no? You should be proactive. Mag-proactive ka lagi. Gising mo pa lang sa umaga, okay, Dynafarm. Dynafarm ako, Dynafarm kami. Ano ba yon? O ganon, basta. Ilagay nyo sa utak nyo yan. O, like me, a 70 years old like me, do you believe that I'm that? Sabi nga nung iba, uy, grabe, si ma'am. Kanina nga, pumunta lang ako sa grocery. Sabi ko, ay sa senior ako. Ma'am, sa senior ho ba? Oo. Sabi niya, akala ko 60 pa kayo. Hindi, 70 na. Ganon. So, yun ang kagandahan sa ating product. And then, one tip, you should look successful. Ha? Successful. Hindi yung parang pumunta ka dun sa nagbibenta ka, ay, meron kaming ganito, ganyan. No. You should be excited to meet these people. And remember, bring Rita along with you in your mind. You have to bring Rita. Who is Rita? Recruiting is the answer. Lagi ho tayong iisipin that we have Rita with us. Para dumami tayo. And one thing, if you love your neighbor, syempre, nandan ho yan sa commandment, love yourself, love your neighbor. So if you love your neighbor, you are sharing the products of Dynafarm para magkaroon sila ng healthy and long life. no? Yun po ang gagawin natin. Talagang love your neighbor, share them. Bahala na mag-ano sila. Basta ako, every time na makita ko sila, ay ma'am, anong ginagamit mo? O kanina nga, nakabenta agad ako ng coffee. Nag-grocery lang ako. Ma'am, bakit napaka-hyperactive mo? Ay, meron akong coffee. Ano po yan? So, I was able to sell one box of tongkatli. O, di ba? Yung mga ganon. So, yun ang dapat natin. And be excited, no? Yan. So, yun ang inaano ko. And then, try to have this, yung mga millennials, umattend ho kayo ng mga tinatawag nating webinar. Kasi dyan natin natututunan because the company is so good that they have doctors on the health literacy program, explaining health literacy. Nalalaman natin, ano ba yung may lagnat, may ganyan, tapos ano bang ibibigay ng mga gamot, ganyan, ay ng mga supplement. Ito. So yun ho ang health literacy. Ginagawa ko ho yan dito kasi meron tayong nakalagay doon, anong maganda sa ulcer, ano maganda sa ganito. That's part of the health literacy program. You have to have that in your meeting. Dapat meron kayo yan sa meeting nyo. So, attend meeting, webinars, lalo na yung mga leaders. I tell you leaders, sipag lang. And then, ano kayo, dapat lagi kayong may meeting and then sharing about the products. Napaka-importante po yan para lagi po kayong updated. Napakaganda itong ginawang ito. This is my first time again na ayaw ko nga kasi magsalita kasi ganyan talaga ako. Basta, if you follow me, the basic, the traditional way, yan po ang ginagawa ko. Traditional, the practical way on how to recruit. Saturation drive, ginagawa ko po yan. In every 5 kilometers, hinahanap ko yung pwedeng maging mobile stockists para dumami po tayo. That's only 50,000 for a mobile stockist. So hahanapin ko yung may pera, lalo yung mga senior na nag-retired. Do you want to have a business? Okay, ito bibigay ko sa'yo. Walang boss, wala lahat. Just bring 50,000 products, you can sell it. Ganun lang. And then yun, nakakakita naman ako, awa ng Diyos, kahit ganun, nakakakita naman ako. So, napakaganda po ng ating Dynafund. And then, yung tatandaan lang ho ninyo, how many minutes pa ba ako? Matagal pa ba? Webinar, and then recognitions of your recruits. I-recognize ninyo. Bring them along, tag them along, kadi them, kadi. Kasi alam niyo, pagka yung, ang nangyayari kasi, pag napapasok na natin, hindi natin tinitake care kaya nawawala. Kaya ganun nga nangyari dun sa iba, iniwan ko yung mga tao ko na wala kasi wala ako. Gustong-gusto kasi nila yan yung kinikare mo yung mga tao mo, leaders mo, gustong-gusto nila yan. And then, mag-sampling po kayo, sampling, like in a meeting. Invest a little, like having coffee. Oy, tikman mo tong coffee ko. Kalahati lang ganon, yung isang sachet, hatiin lang ninyo para makatipid kayo. Pero para sa akin, sige, binibigay ko lahat yan sa kanila. Pero kung gusto natin magtipid, kalahati lang, patikin mo. Makakabenta at makakabenta kayo. And then, yung mga leaders, ay yung mga matagal na, please be manager. Meron tayong MCP, managers, ano ba yun, merong program na ganon, wherein 3 months yata, pwede natin makuha yung 30,000 BB. Napakaganda po. Yun ang gustong-gusto ko nila. So, kung makikita mo, yan yung mga busy before I left for yan, ganon. Lagi akong kasama nila. Masyado silang masaya. Organize events, yan. Ino-organize ko palagi yan as a leader. So, ngayon po, kadadating ko lang, nakakuha. So, ganyan po tayo. So, whatever having been said, this everything here, tandaan lang ho ninyo yung action. Kasi kung puro lang tayo salita, napapagod tayo, we are on our comfort zone. No? Comfort zone. Alisin ho natin yung comfort zone. Ang ilagay ho natin sa isip natin, we can share to products, our products. So, action. A, activate yourself. B, yung bang positive. Lagi kang on the go. Yan yung activation. Action. Action agad. Action. Ba? No? And then, concentrate. Concentrate on your goal. So you have to put a goal. Like, sabihin mo dun sa recruit mo, how much do you want to earn? 10,000 a month? then this is your goal. 2 recruits a week. Pag hindi mo nakuha 2 recruits a week for 1 month, you have 10,000. So, tuturuan, teach them, no? Yan ang gagawin natin, teach them. Concentrate on your goal. Huwag niyong pahirapan, but do not punish yourself na hindi ka nag-i-enjoy. Concentrate in your goal which is achievable. Achieve, kayang-kaya. Yung 2 recruits, kayang-kaya. Eh kung hindi naman makuha for this week, pwede naman next week ulit. Ganun ang ating trainings kanila. Basta, we concentrate on our goal na isaturate natin, magkaroon tayo ng health literacy program, ganun pong gagawin natin. And then, C, concentrate. T, stands for, kasi action action tayo, no? T stands for thankful. Thankful. Be thankful to God, first of all, that He gave us this company, our Dynafarm International, na napaka-established na, napaka-swerte natin. We are so blessed that we have this company. So we have to be thankful to God and also thankful for all the people na share natin ng products, no? And then I stands for inspiration, inspired. Inspire them. Like, uy, halika na, malapit ka na, tag along, malapit ka na maging leader. Come on. Yung mga ganon, make an inspiration. Have a meeting always. Have a meeting. And then O stands for offer. Offer your help. Offering them because you're the leader. So offer help. Kailangan nila yan. Like for example, pumunta ka sa isang recruit mo, pumunta ka. And then sabi mo, halika, mag house to house tayo, we give flyers. So you offer your help. Yan po ang ginagawa natin. So napakadali lang. So very basic ba? Kahit na nga hindi ko sabihin ito, alam ninyo yan. You don't need to be, pero reminder lang po itong akin. It's just a reminder sa isang katulad ko na nasanay na nag-network. Now, if you could, kanina nga, sinabihan agad ako ng old friends ko kasi I went there, sabi niya, you still doing the old times? Sabi niya gano'n. Sabi ko, yes. Sabi niya, pero nainggit ako sa'yo, ano iniinom mo? Di benta na agad. Ganun yun. So, talk always about Dynafarm. Then nurture. The last is nurture. So, action. Nurture. Nurture your dealers. Mahalin mo sila. Mahalin mo sila by helping them, believing na magkakaroon sila ng pera rin doon, kikita rin sila, magkakaroon sila ng healthy body, healthy life. So yun ang gagawin ninyo. Napakaganda. Imposible hindi tayo maging number 1. Alam nyo, yung sa age namin, it's all in the mind minsan because we are on the comfort zone. But I fight it out. No, I have to share the product to others. I have to help people. And Dynafarm is the only product na pwede sa kanila because they can afford it. Yan sabi ko, okay, there's no other supplement, natural supplement in the market better than Dynafarm. Ipupuho sa inyo. Kasi ako, triple heart bypass ako, pero I survived 18 years ago. Duruin mo, kung hindi po ako nag-take ng Dynafarm, baka ando na ho ako, 6 feet beyond, nauna pa ho ako sa asawa ko. Kasi yung asawa ko hindi nakainom ng Dynafarm. Kaya gano'n, nauna na. So, yan ang sinasabi ko na you have to nurture your people. Teach them how to do it. No? So, action. So, yung mga sinasabi ko, put into action. Kasi kung hindi kayo mag-a-act, every time na pupunta kayo, pag gising pa lang sa umaga, ako, Dynafarm agad eh. Sino kayang pupuntahan ko ngayon? Sino kayang si-sharean ko ng products ngayon? Yun. So, yun ang ilalagay ninyo. Kung talagang you really love Dynafarm, you will really follow what I'm doing. So, hanggang ngayon po, at my age, I'm so active. I'm so active and I give them opportunity. Binibigyan ko sila ng opportunity na humaba ang buhay nila, ma-enjoy nila ang life to the fullest, magkaroon sila ng income. So, yung income-wise, tuturuan ho rin ninyo. The simplest way na ituturo ho ninyo kasi mahirap magturo ng hindi ninyo ginagawa. Like duplication. Our business is duplication. So simple. You duplicate yourself, then the other one you recruit, duplicate himself. So, ganun lang, easy. And then money will come. And basta, kinakailangan lang talaga na ikaw ay nakatulong. You nurture them. So, yun po ang inaano ko. So, that's it. I think naituro ko na sa inyo lahat yata yung nasabi ko. That's how simple I make my business here in Dynafarm. Thank you so much sa mga nag-invite sa akin. Lalong-lalo na kay CLM, yung idol namin sa marketing. Kagaling ho niyan. 40 years ago siguro, 45 years ago, nalalaman yata yung mga age namin. We work together and me as a networker, hindi networker, basta direct selling kasi yung alam ko eh. Yes. And now, I hope with this webinar na ginagawa nila, that's a very good idea itong webinar na to. Napakabuti po kasi yung mga bata pa nakikita nila, may nagsasalita, and then at the same time itong mga experience like us can share something na pwede nating sabihin sa kanila. Anong ginagawa natin? Bakit ganito tayo? So, kita lang ho ninyo ang picture ko na ako ay triple heart bypass and up to now, with God's grace talaga, and with all the products I'm taking, the quality of the products is really number one. Ay, nako, wala na, hindi ko talaga ipatatalo yung Dynafarm. Basta, inaaway ko yung nasa market pagka sinabing best yung kanila kasi mahal kayo, kami mura. Quality pa. Yeah, affordable pala, hindi mura. We are very affordable. So, thank you very much, mga LB, thank you. CLM, thank you. Okay po.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you po, sa maganda ng activity na si Ma'am Rina. Thank you for wonderful sharing. Ulitin po,